Grab your coffee, because I'm about to show you a workflow that will completely change how you handle short-form content. I recently fed niche keywords and influencer profiles into an automated pipeline that ran for less than 5 minutes. This system successfully scraped trending videos, extracted transcripts, analyzed comments, scored virality, and produced ready-to-post scripts. The absolute best part is that this entire process is plug-and-play, requiring zero coding or deep technical knowledge to implement. If you create videos, manage a creative team, or just need to scale content production fast, you need to pay close attention. I'll walk you through going from identifying what is currently viral to having perfectly formatted clips ready for your channels in minutes. We are using a tool called Vizard to automate the heavy lifting of transforming hours of source material into consistent short-form assets. The creators who win today are not always the most technically skilled editors, but the ones who consistently get high-quality clips published. Imagine instantly knowing which exact moments in your webinars or streams actually capture and hold audience attention. Then, picture an AI automatically isolating those viral segments, optimizing them, and preparing them for every social platform you use. This system is specifically designed to solve that bottleneck without making your content sound like a repetitive advertisement. Everything produced feels natural, conversational, and human-friendly, which is exactly what gets the most shares. At a high level, the entire process starts by finding the accounts and hashtags that are currently popping off in your market. The pipeline then scrapes those short-form videos and downloads a clean audio file for every single clip found. Next, we use a robust transcription model to convert that speech into an accurate, time-coded text document. We also pull the top engagement comments to gain vital context about what viewers are truly reacting to. An advanced large language model then synthesizes the transcript and engagement data to generate new, hook-led scripts based on real success. Finally, we use an auto-editing platform, Vizard, to create the actual short videos based on the AI-generated script points. This whole flow results in data-backed creativity delivered directly to your publishing schedule. Let's quickly look at the core tools you'll be interacting with throughout this sequence. You'll start with a lightweight scraper to gather public post URLs, view counts, and engagement metrics in a simple data file. A converter is useful for turning video URLs into standalone, high-quality MP3 audio files for cleaner processing. The transcription model processes the audio into text, while a comment parser gauges audience sentiment from the collected responses. The LLM is the creative engine, summarizing the data and writing punchy, optimized short-form scripts. Vizard is where the visual magic happens, as it automatically edits the source video, trims it, and applies essential formatting like captions. This tool truly shines because it integrates the clip creation directly with content calendar management, covering the entire workflow. Many other solutions require you to stitch together 5 different platforms, but Vizard unifies the entire clip-to-calendar journey. People often try to manually connect various tools, but that quickly leads to a brittle system that breaks down. Now, let's walk through the exact 9-step process I used, so you can replicate this immediately. Step 1 is simply picking your niche and targets by making a small list of influencers or hashtags that already move the needle. For step 2, set the scraper to focus on a limited window, perhaps the last 10 reels per account, to keep results current. Step 3 requires you to convert every single video URL into a downloadable MP3 to guarantee the highest possible transcription accuracy. After conversion, grab the latest 8 to 12 comments to get a real-time pulse on what viewers are saying about the content. Step 5 involves running the audio through Whisper, or an equivalent model to produce the full, searchable transcript of the speech. Then, step 6 is feeding the summary, top comments, and metadata into your chosen LLM to generate a full script and 3 alternate hooks. We then run a quick sentiment analysis to pull 1 or 2 high-engagement comments that can be used as perfect on-screen overlay text. Step 8 is pointing Vizard at your source footage, or the provided timecodes, so it can auto-generate the optimized short clips instantly. The final action is setting your desired posting frequency in the scheduler, so Vizard automatically populates your content calendar for batch approval. This automated combination offers massive advantages over any manual workflow you might be currently using. The first is unparalleled speed, as AI identifies viral clip points in minutes compared to the hours a human editor might spend trawling footage. The second is consistency, which is the single biggest lever for growth, ensured by a pipeline that posts reliably according to your schedule. Finally, you get data-informed creativity, because you are modeling your content on proven engagement metrics, not just guessing what might work. I recently put this through a real-world example using just one random viral reel from a successful account. The pipeline quickly summarized the content as an explanation on how to land a new client in under 90 seconds using simple rapport building. From that summary, the LLM instantly generated 3 unique, compelling hooks, such as asking if you'd believe your next client is just 1 phone call away. Vizard then took that information and produced 3 distinct, perfectly cropped edits, ready for vertical and horizontal platforms. Now let's address some common pitfalls we see with similar competitor tools that Vizard manages to avoid. Some pure converters are cheap, but they still leave you stuck manually stitching all the individual clips together after scraping. Editing suites that claim automation often demand extensive template customization and cleanup, which defeats the purpose of speed at scale. Scheduling-only tools completely skip the hard parts, finding the viral moments and editing them into polished assets. Vizard bridges that gap by uniting the necessary clip creation and the necessary content calendar management in one interface. For anyone building their own version of this, start with a small scope of 5 to 10 accounts running weekly to learn the patterns. When feeding clips into Vizard, experiment with letting it auto-detect the best points versus using the script's timecodes to maximize your time savings. You should absolutely use direct quotes from top comments as on-screen text because it instantly boosts relatability and engagement. Always keep the generated short-form scripts simple, as winners sound like a friend quickly telling an engaging, clear story. In summary, this automation removes the 2 biggest content bottlenecks: identifying the right moments and shipping them consistently. Use the data streams to surface what works. Let the LLM craft the punchy hooks, and let Vizard handle the heavy-duty editing and scheduling. I am dropping the complete automation blueprint and the exact prompts I use down in the description for you to copy immediately. Furthermore, I can help you tailor those prompts so that the resulting scripts perfectly match your unique business voice and context. When done right, this system feels like having a tiny, tireless creative team working just for you. You provide the input, set the cadence, and you wake up to a fully populated queue of optimized, ready-to-publish short videos. That is the future of predictable content growth, and it is the exact workflow Vizard was built to accelerate.